Hi, welcome to this 8th episode of Unity Game Development for Complete Beginner series. In the previous episode, we'll learn how to add material colors to game objects in Unity. In this episode, we will learn how to move a simple cube with the arrow keys in Unity. In the following scene, we have a simple cube having a color placed over a plane. We will make it move over the plane by the help of arrow keys. To make it look realistic, let's turn on shadows in the directional light. In the scripts folder, I'm going to create a C# script and name it Move Cube. Now select the cube and drag and drop the script in the inspector. Double-click the script to open it in the Visual Studio. First of all, create a variable for speed of the cube. Public float speed. In the update method, create a float named horizontal, which will be equal to input.getAccessRaw horizontal, and also a float named vertical, which will be equal to input.getAccessRaw vertical. We will also make a vector 3. Vector 3 direction is equal to new vector 3 horizontal 0 vertical. And finally, for the movement of the cube, we will write transform dot translate direction dot normalized multiply by time dot delta time multiply by speed. Don't worry about this code. This is your first time writing a code. Just follow along and slowly you will get an idea about everything you code. First of all, we made a variable for the speed of the cube and we made it public so that we can access and change it from the inspector. In this script, we are not doing anything in the start method because we only want our cube to move when we press the arrow key, and we don't want to do anything when the game starts. In the update method, it will check after every frame whether any of the arrow key on the keyboard is pressed or not. The first variable, horizontal, is getting the values from the horizontal keys, that is up and down keys, while the second float variable is getting the values from the vertical keys, that is right and left keys. Vector 3 direction is a variable that will tell our cube to move in a certain direction. And finally, the last line is making the cube move in the art direction. Just save it by pressing Ctrl+S on the keyboard and come back to your Unity editor. Let it save for a little time. After that, in the inspector under the scripts, you will see the speed variable. We can assign it any value. Let's assign its value 5. Play the game. Now press the arrow keys. You will be able to move your cube now with the help of your arrow keys. That was all for this episode. In the next episode, we will learn how to make a cube jump in Unity. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comments below. If you like this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.